In this video, you will learn why oral dosage form is better than injectables. Means tablets and syrups are better dosage form than injectables. What is the reason? The preference for oral dosage forms over injectable forms or vice versa depends on various factors including the specific characteristics of the drug, patient considerations, and the intended therapeutic outcome. Both oral and injectable forms have their advantages and disadvantages. Here are some reasons why oral dosage forms might be considered better in certain situations. Number 1. Patient convenience. Oral medications are generally more convenient for patients since they can be self administered without the need for a healthcare professional. This can lead to increased patient compliance and adherence to the prescribed treatment plan. Number 2. Reduced invasiveness. Oral administration is non invasive compared to injections, which involve puncturing the skin with a needle. Some patients may prefer oral medications to avoid the discomfort associated with injections. Number 3. Flexibility in administration. Oral drugs can be taken in various forms such as tablets, capsules, liquids, or powders, providing flexibility for patients with different preferences or difficulties in swallowing. Number 4. Cost effectiveness. In general, oral medications tend to be most cost effective than injectable forms. This is because the production, storage, and administration of oral drugs are often simpler and less resource intensive. Number 5. Risk of infection. Injectable medications carry a risk of infection at the injection site. The use of needles and syringes can introduce pathogens into the body, leading to infections. This risk is eliminated with oral medications. Number 6. Ease of storage and transportation. Oral medications are typically easier to store and transport compared to injectables, which may require special handling, refrigeration, or protection from light. Conclusion. It's important to note that injectable medications also have their own advantages. For instance, they may be preferred in situations where a rapid onset of action is critical, or when a patient cannot tolerate oral administration due to issues like nausea or vomiting. Usually, the choice between oral and injectable forms depends on the specific characteristics of the drug, the medical condition being treated, and individual patient factors. Healthcare professionals Consider these factors to determine the most appropriate route of administration for each patient. This was all about this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe it. Thanks a lot.